I have an older Kenmore side-by-side refrigerator. The water dispenser does not work. You press on this and nothing. The ice does work. So I have to open it up to see what's going on. Disconnected this from the refrigerator. I thought I was going to have to unplug each one of those connectors. That's why I labeled them. But that was an easy way to take off the panel. There's two places at the bottom. You just take a something flat and then put it in a screwdriver and twist it. It pops right off. Then you just lift it up off the frame of the refrigerator. This is the inside. On the right hand side, it looks like the pieces, the plastic pieces holding on the switch broke. So when you press the lever, it was moving so it wouldn't dispense the water. Next step is to remove that whole piece from the refrigerator and see if I can attach that switch maybe with a couple of screws and hopefully fix it. Ideally, it would be great to undo all those wires to have this plastic piece so that I could possibly drill 2 holes in this area, but I have to give it some more thought. Maybe I can use a portable drill and do everything I need. I don't think it'd be too easy to take this whole panel off. This became loose just by loosening 2 1/4-inch screws that go in those holes. It seems to be coming off okay. Disconnected the connectors for the switch and then these other connectors. Now I'm going to disconnect that one and then that switch and see if I'll have the whole plastic piece free, so I'll be able to drill some holes. I was able to take the plastic piece off and let's see if I can see these marks where the posts were. I'm going to drill those out. Put magic marker on the spots where I'm going to drill, then find 2 screws that will be flush and long enough to hold in the switch and the spacer. With everything removed, all the connectors disconnected, it'll be fun putting it back together again. Attach the switch to the platform with 2 screws. It seems to be holding nicely. Switch is in place. You can see the 2 screws on the side. Screws back into the refrigerator. Now it's just a matter of attaching the cables. Everything is all put back together again. First, let's try the light. Lights on. and try the water. Success. Now just to make sure that the ice is working,